Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share 3 cards that I've started to make with the Sunshine kit, the kit that I'm working in. Here it is. These are the 3 cards that I did get so far. I have these cards that I'm still putting together, like multiples of them, I mean. And that was the inspiration that I got for it. So I did use the sunglasses dies that come in the set. It's the sunglasses to die set, I believe is the name. As well as the word sunshine that came in the kit. And I did use this thanks stamp that came in last year's kit, I believe. Last year, January. Yes. With these sentiments here. And that's it. And then I did use some jemmies that came in this kit as well to decorate and accent. They are blank and I have included, so stay tuned for more like these while I finish through this card kit. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas.